listen closely now to the whisper of the waves and the promise that we keep, growing up in the shelter of the shade, protected by the promises we made. Tuangana standing tall like iron trees, blocking out the storm and the rising seas. They watch your every step with a careful gaze, guiding you through the turning of the days. You are the Tama Sā, the precious light. Oh, ole, ole, oi mata shining bright, held within a circle of Talofa and love, a gift sent down from the stars above. Walk with grace and keep your spirit clean, the finest treasure that we have ever seen. There is power in a heart that stays so kind, leaving all the heavy words behind. To show follow is to wear a crown, a tele Samoan who won't back down. Protect the purity you carry inside, let your virtue be your anchor and your guide. Real brothers know the feet ain't true, to keep you safe, to keep the mana in you. So be the calm within the shifting tide, with honor standing right by your side. You are the Tama Sā, the precious light. Oh, ole, oh, mata shining bright, held within a circle of Talofa and love, a gift sent down from the stars above. Walk with grace and keep your spirit clean, the finest treasure that we have ever seen.